The 12T650i Integrated Floor Grinder, your professional tool for concrete floor preparation. Integrated grinding and suction system for dust-free operation, clean, efficient, and eco-friendly. Available in 50 Hz or 60 Hz frequency, 380 volts voltage compatible, works worldwide for global export. 11 kilowatts 15 horsepowers motor with 15 kilowatts 20 horsepowers inverter. Massive power for all floor grinding jobs. 650 millimeters large grinding disc with 12 heads, doubles grinding efficiency, saves time on large projects. 1400 to 800 RPM adjustable speed, perfect for rough grinding, fine finishing, and more. 80 liters large capacity water tank, continuous water supply, reduces downtime for refills. Ideal for concrete grinding, old floor renovation, epoxy removal, and more. The top choice for professional contractors.